And so actually faith in that concept, how it was talked about was actually, it was something that trumped reason. Reason was something to be overcome. Faith was almost took on a somewhat magical proportions, where if you said the right words and you had enough belief behind it, X would happen. At certain points, we were actually taught that God was like a cosmic Coke machine. If you could push the right button, you would receive the right item. And so for me, that started to become increasingly troublesome, because I thought that, the God of nature, the God that created reason, was the same God that has sent Jesus Christ. So to have an organized religion, this charismatic Protestantism that taught you reason was wrong, it had to be overcome, seemed very troubling. But again, I didn't know Catholicism at all. I didn't know any really Christian branch that taught that faith and reason were harmonious at all.
So at some point, you decided to take a deeper look at faith. What made the pivotal difference?
So I noticed that one other student in a lot of my classes had very similar critiques that I did, but he also had solutions. And he was like, oh, well, the early church, they said X, Y, and Z, or, for the first millennia of the church, they said this, which just was fascinating, because my whole theological upbringing, we didn't study anything past like 1900. Like, we knew Jesus came, and that was great. Somehow we got the Bible and a few core doctrines like the Incarnation and Trinity. They somehow came about. And then you skip all the way to Martin Luther. We didn't agree with anything Luther taught, except for the one thing that we didn't have to be Catholic. That was the one thing we liked about him. So one of the things that just hooked me immediately with Catholicism is I remember I distinctly remember the day I was in Systematic Theology 2, actually taught by a former Catholic. Faith and reason came up. And of course you had Martin Luther coming up and talking about that, reason is a whore. The greatest enemy faith has. It's like, okay, that's not exactly what I'm looking for. You had a lot of other people that didn't know exactly how to deal with reason. Reason was normally typically talked about something that had to be overcome. If you could just set your logic and reason aside,